Good morning, students. Welcome to the another session of mathematics. So far we are done with our chapter 1, that is knowing our numbers, and chapter 2, that is playing with numbers. Chapter 1 and chapter 2. We are counting the chapters we are done with, right? Like chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4. Today we are going to start with chapter 3, 1, 2, 3. These numbers are called natural numbers. We can count these numbers actually. You can count these on fingers, using grains, using pencils, any object. You can actually count these numbers. So these counting numbers starting from 1 are called natural numbers. Okay. The smallest natural number over here is 1. 1 is the smallest natural number. Can you count 0? No, we cannot actually count 0 physically. That's the reason we will not consider 0 over here. So 1 is the smallest natural number which extends infinitely, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So there is no largest natural number. It extends till infinity. Now our marks, days of the week, days of the month, these all we can use, we can count by using natural numbers. Okay, now our chapter 3 we are going to start today is whole numbers. What are whole numbers? What are the operations of whole numbers? That we are going to learn in this chapter. Now, as I told you, the smallest natural number is 1. Can we find the predecessor of 1? Yes, why not? Though we cannot count it physically, we can very well find the predecessor of 1. How do we find the predecessor? By subtracting 1. So, when I subtracted 1 from the least natural number, I get 0. So, when I attach 0 as a predecessor to natural number, okay, then these are called as whole numbers. Whole numbers start from 0, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Whole numbers also extend infinitely. I repeat, whole numbers also extend infinitely. So, the smallest whole number is 0, whereas the greatest whole number we cannot say because it extends infinitely. The difference between natural numbers and whole numbers is of 0 only. The smallest natural number is 1, whereas the smallest whole number is 0. In this chapter, we will learn few properties of operations of whole number. Which operations? Nothing but addition, subtraction, multiplication and division.